Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, USD CAD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and if you have watched my previous video on GBP USD, then you can easily recognize these lines, because in my previous video I clearly mentioned that this level will be very important for the market, 1.3780, and you can see that yesterday market tried to cross the level but market failed. And this is the main reason I always talk about confirmation. This is the main reason I always say that once you see a breakout, still you need to wait for 4 to 6 hours, because instead of a breakout, it can be a false breakout as well, and you will lose your money. You can see that yesterday market tried to cross the level, but ultimately market failed. That's why confirmation is important. So leave it. Okay, let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of GBP USD and what should be a strategy. Clear? Okay, let's get started. So first and foremost, if we look at the chart of GBP USD, the present trend of the market, then we can see that overall the market is in uptrend right now. The market is in uptrend. We have a support in the form of this trend line. You can see that whenever market is coming down, it is getting support from this trend line. Therefore, this trend line is important for the market right now. Apart from this support, we also have a support at 1.36000, because this level is important, because whenever market GBP USD witness heavy selling pressure, this is the level that provided support to the market. Therefore, in case there is a sudden selling pressure tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next week, we can hope that 1.3600 will provide support to the market. Okay, but right now market is trading here, so this support is only required, this trend line. So we have support now, therefore we also have resistances, and the first resistance, or the most important resistance for the market right now, is this level, 1.3780, and you can see that this level is acting as a resistance for the market, not allowing the market to go up. And apart from this resistance level, we also have a strong resistance in the form of this trend line. And we can, if I zoom out the chart, then you can see that overall GBP USD is in downtrend, and this trend line is acting as a strong resistance for the market. So whenever market was trying to go up, this level was acting as a resistance. But right now we do not need to focus on this resistance, because the current market price is far away from this strong resistance as well as this support. So in this video we won't be talking about this and this, because we only need to concentrate on this particular portion of the chart. Okay. And if you just observe this particular portion of the chart here, then you can see that we have an ascending triangle pattern here, because we have a flat resistance, here, static resistance, and whenever market is going down, market is not crossing the previous high. You can see that market is forming lower highs here, sorry, higher lows here. Okay, market is constantly forming higher lows here. Market is not crossing the previous high. And to be precise, generally we get ascending triangle pattern in an uptrend market, but this is a downtrend market. But still we cannot deny that buyers are very much interested in this market in taking the price upward. Therefore, there is a good possibility that market will be going up from here. Okay, though we get ascending triangle pattern in generally in upturn market, but still we can see that buyers are very much interested in this market, and they are not allowing the market to cross the previous lows. So this is a clear indication that yes, overall chart may be towards the downside, but we cannot deny the presence of buyers in this chart. Therefore, our strategy is simple. Okay, we will only wait for the market to cross either this level or this level. So whenever we get a pattern like this, generally we see that market usually crosses the resistance and goes up from here. So today, if you see market going up from here, or market crossing this level 1.3780, do not go for a buy right away. Okay, listen to me carefully. Do not buy right away. because it can be a false breakout. Therefore, at least wait for at least one candle. Okay, at least wait for a candle to close above this level. Okay, wait for at least 4 to 6 hours and just observe the price. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is trading comfortably above this level, then you can go for buy. Just keep in mind that your take profit target will be this resistance line from above, because this line has been acting as a strong resistance for the market for quite some time. And my dear friends, I would like to remind you that on Friday, NFP report will be coming out on every Friday of so not every Friday, though on every first Friday of month we get the NFP report. So NFP report is a market driving factor, therefore please be careful on Friday trading session. So usually we see that after the NFP report, US dollar gets very volatile, and whenever US dollar goes up, we see GBP going down, and whenever dollar goes down, GBP goes up. So after the NFP report, if dollar starts going up, then definitely GBP will be going down, and if dollar starts going down, then GBP will be going up. So till then, okay, till the volatility comes from the NFP report, till then you just need to follow this strategy. Wait for the market to cross this level. If market successfully crosses this level, go for a buy. Otherwise, don't need to trade anything. Clear? And my dear friends, if you go to the Forex sentiment meter here, you can see that 59% traders have taken short position and 40% traders have taken long position. And you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website abhilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So 60%, almost 60% traders are thinking market will be going down, and as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. So there is a possibility that market will be going up from here. And as I've clearly mentioned, in a pattern like this, generally we see market going up because market is constantly forming higher lows here. Okay, and my dear friends, recently I have also launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month, where I'll be sharing all the best opportunities on the market with you. Instead of going for confusing charts, you'll get the best patterns in front of you. If you are interested, just go through all the information here. And if you want to learn trading from me, if you think that you need some guidance, if you want to learn from me through personal classes, just go to the workshop section and you'll find all the information. So that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Hopefully you've understood what you need to do and what should be your strategy for GBP USD till the NFP report comes out. Just keep in mind that in case you go for a buy, you need to exit at the trend line, because this trend line is acting as a strong resistance for the market for quite some time. Bye bye. Take care.